The other type of blob storage is block blob. And this is where your blob is divided into blocks as it's uploaded. Even though the blocks are uploaded individually, it's treated as an individual, as an entire unit, as an atomic unit. And the entire process, once all the blocks are uploaded, is then committed really as a single, as I said, atomic unit. Okay. Now, there are some things that can happen with block blobs. And again, these are blobs that are things like file, or things, well, it could be individual files that are write once files, documents, that kind of thing. Could be images, videos, any sort of large scale storage that's going to be typically write once, read often kind of data. Those are great candidates for block blob storage. If it's more frequently updated, then you may consider looking at page blob storage. All right, so blocks are uploaded. Now they are uploaded in parallel sets, and you actually have the ability to implement pretty fine-grained control over how those sets are parallelized, how they're uploaded. You can also just use the SDK and say, okay, you know what, I need to upload a block blob. Okay, and it'll just do it for you and internally make those decisions. It can use an MD5 hash to make sure that the block blobs are going to be uploaded successfully, and you can retry if that fails. All right, there's actually the possibility for large-scale uploads to track the progress. You can make calls to see how it's going, which is pretty cool. And I mentioned that during upload, the blob is not committed until everything is there, and then you can actually commit the blob. Now, you can also, as I said, perform single actions within the SDK that are akin to writing something out to a file, and it'll just do that, and it makes it very easy. Or you can go and be much more granular over how you control the transmission between whatever service or client is interacting with that blob storage. Pretty cool stuff. It is definitely optimized for multimedia streaming, and you do have a 200 gigabyte file size limit for block blobs.